Many bird species migrate thousands of miles each year to find food or warmer climates. For example, the Arctic tern travels from the Arctic to Antarctica, one of the longest migrations in the animal kingdom. Some sky creatures like bees and butterflies play a crucial role in pollination, helping plants reproduce by transferring pollen. Hummingbirds are among the smallest birds and are known for their rapid wing flapping. They can hover in place, which helps them sip nectar from flowers. Credits: written by author's name, narrated by narrator's name, produced by producer's name. Special thanks to contributors' names. Copyright year Themature Kanya.